Over 400 layers of in-house laminated Damascus, a two-tone boxwood burl handle, an Apex Ultra core, one of the nicest knives I have ever seen in my life, and in 48 hours, it's gone. Not sold, not stolen, I have to send it back to the guy who owns it. Let me explain. There's a guy called Nick, Metallicats44 on Instagram, and the last time he got an absolutely insane custom from Swedish Knifesmith Fredrik Spore, he sent it to me to unbox before he even got to see it himself. Why? Because he likes the work I do and wants more quality content about top makers out there. Well, here we are again, this time with a mind-blowing custom from Antoine Adonis Forged Arts, a French knifesmith. The France kind, not the Quebecois kind. For this one, I asked Nick if I could at least cut one vegetable for you guys, so you don't get blue-balled with just an unboxing. Stay tuned, because when you see the details on this knife, you'll understand why my heart's about to be broken. First impression, the box is long. I'm thinking, did Nick get a maguro bocho, a tuna slicing knife? At 87 centimeters long, it's possible. Inside, of course, bubble wrap knife, business card, sticker, care sheet, and one of my favorite wraps, the Italian salami bag, also known as shrink wrap. Makes the knife look so cool and fresh. The saya is wonderful. Bog oak, gorgeous contouring, faceted with pins, laser engraved logos, inside fully lined with vegetable tan leather to protect the blade. The knife itself is insanely light, just 107 grams for a 240mm Gyuto, 59mm of belly height at heel, 3mm thick spine at heel, tapering to almost nothingness. You would think the 400 plus layers of Damascus are the star, but for me, it's that bright sinusoidal nickel shim, separating the Damascus from the exquisite Apex Ultra core. The C-grind sits a little high on the blade, but Antoine says it's for longevity. On shorter produce, it won't affect food release, but on taller items, it will. And the handle, mokume-gane wood grain like brass ferrule, natural gray stabilized boxwood burl, an absolute beauty. This is the whole package. Visually spectacular, museum worthy. Even took some pics and made it my computer wallpaper, so if I don't get to keep it, at least I'll see it on my wallpaper. Now, first, the paper test. Because it's safe, it's ASMR, and honestly, I just had to. Then the carrot. Nick and I agreed it's the safest way to avoid heavily patinaing the blade before he even gets to use it himself. Clean cut, effortless, and that's all I get to do with this beauty. This is one of the most incredible kitchen knives I've ever had the pleasure of holding. Thank you, Nick. Subscribe if you want to see more videos where my heart gets broken, because now it's time to send this back to its rightful owner. Thanks again, Nick, for the opportunity. Antoine, you've outdone yourself, and I'll see you all in the next video. Huge.